So my name is Mohit Singh and I am the J1 trainee in the coastal Orange Beach and I am from India.
I'm Astha Juneja. I am from India. I work here as a chef trainee.
So my name is Stacey Ann Myers. I'm from Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica, and I'm 23 years old. I'm a cook here at CoastAL Orange Beach Restaurant.
My name is Narvel Vinoya. I'm from Philippines and I'm part of the J1 program here in the coastal Orange Beach.
Okay, my name is Alwyn Pike. I'm from Jamaica and I'm a J1 trainee.
So when I got Air Force, the thing that got me amazed is the specialty kitchen, which I've never seen in my life before. The Vario, the combi, it's really good and I really think that's the future of the industry.
The technology here is way advanced and that's what I wanted to learn and try to build up in my country back.
We don't have any stoves here. It's all high-tech stuff. It's really great. And it makes the cooking process more efficient and easier and much more precise.
And its chef says it's the future of the kitchen, and it is a future of the kitchen. Like,
Ooh, never seen anything like it. I mean, nothing that I used to back home, no.
I haven't seen a kitchen like these ever in my life. It's amazing. Like, everything is high tech. I never worked with anything like that before.
It's been till date a wonderful experience. Like, the chefs are super experienced and they are like literally helping us in all way possible so that we can be as creative as them and literally be at whatever level they are in now.
like Chef Chris is here. He guides us like a father, you see.
The environment is pretty good. I mean, the chefs are pretty hands-on. They make sure you get the proper training. Yeah, it's pretty good to work here.
Yeah, for our training aspect, yeah, we have these classes with Chef Chris every once in a week, which is like we learn a lot from him, like going back to basics and stuff. We also did this online training that he enrolled us to do for ourselves. And then the rest of the chefs here also help us to grow, give us some points and stuff to learn more about kitchen and stuff.
I really like to talk with the chefs because it's really important to us, because if chef is going to talk to us, it's going to be knowledgeable, and that's what I need right now.
From day one, we've been like told to work as a team, and honestly, working as a team doesn't mean that the sous chefs or the executive chefs literally are giving us commands and we are doing it. No, they literally teach us one by one, like literally step by step, how to do each and everything.
Well, my confidence now is it grew more than before, you know what I'm saying? I'm happy to be here, I'm happy to lead these people, I'm happy to work with these people, and then, for myself, I grew a lot.
Okay, first, you have to be willing to put in the work. You gotta take your work seriously. The first thing coming here, you learn about discipline, team management, teamwork. So you have to be ready for all that. The moment you're ready for that, come in. I know you're gonna get the best training possible. There's nothing like here, man. I'm just telling you, nothing.
Guys, when applying, just be honest, be truthful. Everyone here is great. They won't judge you unfairly. So just put your best self forward, be confident in your interview, and you'll be fine.
For the future people who want to be a program here at CoastAL, I would say it's amazing. They're gonna learn a lot. They should try it. They should strive themselves to be part of this team because it's a really good team. Not just because of the technology that we have, the bond, us as a team back there, it's really cool.
I have zero regrets in coming here. Honestly, for me, as I told you, for me, I have literally broadened my horizons. For me, like, I've been just stuck to just bakery and pastry, and now I'm doing everything. You will learn something super new and you'll have fun.
The Southern charm is real. This is my first time here in America and it's awesome, trust me. What they say about persons or the people down south is actually very true.